Good morning, my students. We are going to make revision about the wires or the connection with the wires. Before we study the connection with the wires, at first we need to know the meaning of alternating current. The meaning of alternating current, the symbol A and C is the meaning of alternating current. Alternating current, AC. The form of alternating current, this is the current is called AC. This zero. The current increases from 0 to maximum point. This is the maximum value. I maximum. Then decreases to 0 and reverse the direction. This is called the positive direction. And reverses this direction and reaches to the maximum, but in the opposite direction is called I maximum. I maximum. And returns back to 0. At this point is called one complete cycle. This is called one complete cycle. This cycle is repeated again through periodic time or a certain time. This means that alternating current, it is the current changes its value from 0 to its maximum, then returns to 0 and reverses its direction and reaches to the maximum in the opposite direction and returns back to 0. The average value of alternating current at this point equals 0 because maximum positive and maximum and minimum maximum in opposite direction negative. The average value equals 0. The current, it changes its intensity each quarter cycle. This is called quarter cycle. Through this quarter cycle, it changes from 0 to maximum. Then its intensity decreases. Then it changes its direction in the negative direction each half cycle. The alternating current, it changes its value each quarter cycle. The alternating current, it changes its direction each half cycle. This means that alternating current is the current which changes its direction and intensity in each cycle gradually and represented by sine curve. This is called sine curve. The alternating current, it changes the direction as flow, have varying magnitude. Its magnitude, its intensity, its value changes. Supplied home from main power stations. And the power stations, alternating current transferred by using transformer to step up voltage and step down current to avoid melting wires. Alternating current can be used in some cases. In the first state, alternating current of high frequency can be used to operate electric transformers and another device like induction furnace. Can be used for lighting, but we cannot use it in electrolysis or electroplating or extraction of metal. So we need another type of current is called direct current. Direct current. Direct current flow in one direction. This is called the direct current. Flows only in one direction, has constant magnitude. Its magnitude, this is constant. Supplied from the battery or from DC dynamo. or DC dynamo, while the alternating current generated by using AC generator or AC dynamo. The current transfer through three types of connections of the wire. Three types of connection of the wire. The three types of connection of the wire can be classified into live wire. Number two, neutral wire or earth wire. The live wire carries electric energy from the power station, connected directly with the power stations. This means that it has high voltage that makes kill if touched by mistake. It is very dangerous to touch it. All switches must be connected to the live wire. The second type of the wire, is called neutral wire. Neutral wire completes the circuit as it goes back to the power station. This is the second type of the wire. The third type is called earth wire. Connected with the metal case of appliances, washing machines, refrigerator, etc. Plastic casing does not need earth wire because it is an insulator, insulating material. It is for safety. Only carries current when there is fault. The electric hazards. Sources of dangerous of electricity. Sources of dangerous of electricity. Number one, damaged insulation. Number two, dam condition. Number three, overheating of cables. Number one, damaged insulation. If connecting wires became exposed due to damaged insulation, this may cause electric shock if touched. If a cable is cut and there is no fuse, this is damaged. Damp condition, high humidity, or rain reduce the resistance of the insulator, causing them to conduct. If unsuitable plug or tap repair, for example, gets wet water in contact with live wire, this may cause electric shock if touched carelessly. Number three, overheating of cables. If extremely high current pass in the wire, this would produce overheating wires, which will melt the insulation and cause fires. To sum up the sources of hazard, number one, damaged insulation causes electric shock. Damp condition causes electric shock. Overheating cables cause fires, cause fires. Now we study the fuse and circuit breakers. This side is the earth. This side is the neutral wire. This is the live wire. This is the three types of wires. This is the couple, grip. This is called fuse. For safety, current passes through fuse or circuit breaker before it reaches the appliance. They both protect against excessive current flowing in the circuit. This is the symbol of the fuse. Fuse is a small glass. This is the small glass tube containing thin wire in the middle. This is the thin wire made of thin metals easily melted when the temperature increases by using current or by passing high current intensity. If fault develops in an appliance and live wire touches the metal case, large current flows from the live wire to the earth wire due to its low resistance provide the path. And the wire in the fuse melts, flows, and disconnects the circuit. This makes the appliance safe until the fault is corrected. And then the fuse is replaced. To sum up, fuse wire melts, breaking the circuit. When the current passing is too large, produce high heat energy, preventing the wire from overheating or fires or damage to the other components like instruments. The fuse is connected to the live wire entering an appliance. Fuse value. This is the maximum current that can be carried by the fuse before it melts. This value should be higher than, but close to the maximum current used by appliance so that the fuse melts flow if this current is just exceed. The circuit breakers, circuit breakers open or trips switch when the excessive current flow in the circuit. Unlike the fuse, which operates once before it replaced, circuit breakers can be reset easily after fault has been corrected, and then it can be used over and over again. Mains electricity goes to house room through the circuit breakers inside disturbance box. This is example for get connected to the main electricity can be read it only. Goodbye.